The independent garage sector in the UK is an important one, with an opportunity to lead the automotive market, especially when it comes to the ageing vehicle car park. But independence can stay alongside being part of something bigger. A dedicated garage network scheme can help your garage to grow. By being part of a network, you can access new tooling, new equipment, new training, new skills, and more, while retaining your independence and keeping your existing customer base. It also provides a sense of trust to customers, seeing a bigger name alongside your own. But ultimately, at the end of the day, it is your business. You just have access to even more benefits. So what do garage networks offer when it comes to independent garages? And why should you be considering it, not just for today, but to help future-proof your business as well?
I think it's definitely important that you are part of a garage network. You know, there are multiple out there now. You've got to work out which one's going to benefit you more, like as in your business and yourself.
But how can a garage network help to benefit a business? To find out a bit more, I went to speak to Motrio, one of the newest garage networks in the UK and backed by Renault Group, to see not only what they offer, but what they're bringing to the UK market as a whole.
So Motrio provides a credible reputation for a local garage in the area with its consumers and customers, giving them loyalty and preferred parts fit into their vehicle, which is guaranteed by OEM specifications. So Motrio gives a local business garages support by manufacturers such as Renault. So they are actually backing Motrio on this journey that Motrio has taken through the local garages. They also offer training to keep up to speed on the latest technology, ADAS collaboration, wheel alignments. So anything that a car needs can be supplied through a Motrio service centre.
Now, independence is brilliant. Being able to set your own goals, work on the vehicles you want to, work with the tooling that you prefer. But being part of a garage network does give access to more. And it also means you're not on your own. You're part of a collective group with a collective experience that you can call on should you need it. By being part of something, you can take benefits from marketing expertise, from skills expertise, and more, while maintaining your own workflow. So it really is getting the best of both worlds, being part of a group, but being an independent garage as well.
It's there to help the garage to grow. We will give the garage the tools to do so. So with training, with technical data, with technical support, working with some of our partner brands as well. The idea is that we don't take over the garage, we don't try and influence the garage, but we just give them all the tools they need to be as successful as possible. So whether it's technical training with some of our partners like Delphi or Bosch, or whether it's giving them technical information from Haynes Pro or Autodata, we just want to give the garage all the tools they need to help their business. Obviously, they're really busy with the day-to-day, so
it's not just networking, skills benefits, and more that you get. Marketing today is a very different tool. Word of mouth still counts for something, but is becoming more difficult when you consider social media, when you consider online advertising, and more. So being part of a network can also help you to access marketing benefits to get your business advertised and get it out there in front of a wider audience, all in your local community.
Well, generally speaking, when I'm talking to these kind of independent businesses, they're looking to enhance their profile within their local and regional area. So in a sea of independence, how do you make your brand stand out? A lot of these businesses that I talk to, when I go in and I speak to them, whether it's on the phone or face to face, these are really good businesses. They've been around for a long time, sometimes. They've got some really good technicians, really highly qualified, been in the business for a long time. Some of them have worked in main dealers in their past. So they really know what they're doing here. But in terms of being an independent business, you're kind of swamped in this sea. You know, you'll have been driving around somewhere, and if you keep your eyes peeled for this kind of thing, you'll see independent garages everywhere. So they're looking to elevate their business and make it stand out. And one of the ways to do that is by joining a garage network. So you're kind of piggybacking, should we say, on the brand power that a garage network will bring.
Some networks work with partners that are also able to offer marketing tips or even help improve your online presence.
Well, in terms of running a business with Montrio, they're running a business with you. If you want to find, they found me a new web page builder. The people have come on board. They're called Garage Services. Absolutely fantastic. They have taken me to a level I could never have got to within a very small space of time. They have coordinated my garage management system with the website, and they're constantly coming up with new ways and ideas to retain business, retain customers, and make everything move seamlessly above the waterline and below it. Very, very smooth.
Now, I just want to take a couple of seconds out to thank this featured sponsor, Montrio. As a growing garage network in the UK, they can offer you all the skills that you need to build your business forward while helping you to maintain your independence. You can find out more by scanning the QR code throughout this feature or by visiting motriotrade.co.uk.
Of course, being part of something bigger also gives you more access to things such as events and networking opportunities. Attending these can be vital in making sure that your business stays up to date, not just by finding out about new tools and opportunities, but also by learning from other businesses, whether that's through training, conferences, or experiences. Putting all of this together means that being part of a bigger something will actually benefit not just the day-to-day, but the future as well.
For me now, the events is a massive thing. You've got to attend, you know, you might be scared to go and speak to people, and you might view people that they're unspeakable. You know, there's people in the industry that I've looked up to now for many years that know me, and I'm like, oh my God, they know me. But it's a nice feeling that you go to these events and they're just human. They will talk to you, they will help you out. Most of them will give you like a number, or you can reach them on social media and drop them a message. You know, I had help when I was looking at this location with all sort of the business planning, looking at figures, because that isn't my forte. So I reached out to a garage owner that's well known, and I was like, can you just help me out? Can you just have a look at these figures and tell me what you can see and what it's worth? And he did.
A garage network is also the sum of its parts. It can take experience from other areas of a business and bring that through to those members who are part of the journey. Whether that is from a factor group or from a main dealer perspective, all of this information can go towards benefiting the workshop with a big network behind it that is constantly learning.
The good thing is being supported by the Renault, we learn. You know, we learn from what we've done with our own retailer network, our own workshop experiences, the things that work for the main dealer, if you like, or the main retailer, will also work for the independents. And as people want a better consumer experience in the independent market, we can learn from what we've done with Group Renault, and we can take some of that into the independent market and help them grow their business, and also introduce them to tools that they may not be familiar with, that we know from our experience work really well, you know, in bringing in customers and looking after your customer database.
Being part of a network can also help to future-proof your business. If you think about it, the automotive market is changing rapidly. New technologies are coming in. Not just electrification, as a lot of people talk about, but also when it comes to ADAS. Being part of something bigger means that you can network with other garages and also draw on the expertise of the particular garage scheme that you're in to help build those skills and keep your business going forward as your customers bring those different powertrains and technology types into the workshop.
We want garages to have, you know, access to quality training. So working with some of our partners like Delphi, and Bosch to give technical training, but also front of house training. So it's not just, you know, the guys on the ramps are getting training. There's also front of house training, there's sales and marketing training. There's more stuff to help the business sort of in totality, that we give that support so they can help sell more ramp time, they can win more business, win new customers, retain customers. So giving that sort of total support is really important, and one of the bits for service, sure. But also, you know, as I say, we've got technical data through Haynes Pro or Auto Data to help make sure garages have got best in class technical data, and then working with some of our aftermarket partners like Brembo, Delphi, Yuasa to support with technical information and training for fitting their parts is really key, so that it's not just about, you know, selling parts, it's about fitting them better and giving them that additional support.
Another example of benefits is a sense of trust with customers. Belonging to something bigger, even though retaining your independence, gives a sense that you are representing more than just your business. And for some customers, that's enough to choose your garage over the competition.
It is giving, you know, these garages a identity, but it's also giving customers confidence to come to that independent garage. You know, again, if we go back to the fact that this is the biggest segment in the aftermarket, customers need to make a choice, a qualified choice as to where they're going to take their car to be serviced or repaired. So that's why joining a garage network really helps. It brings that identity.
So maintaining independence is important, but you can do that and still be part of something bigger. Garage networks can bring you together, but the best thing you can do is look for the one that suits your business, that will give you the most from what you want. Bigger is better, independence is key, so being part of something really counts in today's aftermarket.